Alright, just a quick video of the 505. Thought I would show it a little bit. I love the sound of these old motors. You can tell they're original. They almost have a buzzing kind of sound to them. They're pretty neat, really. So, but yeah, we'll fire it up and let you hear it. It runs great. Unfortunately, the old fan was broken, so I had to put a newer fan in it, and it doesn't quite have the airflow it would have with the original fan. But I'm still very happy with it. It's a very good-looking machine. Just love the way the 505 looks. But anyway, just a quick video. Thanks for watching.